So, why are we here again? I think there's supposed to be like a new engine coming. Oh, well, how do you know? So Tom Hat told me, and he wanted me to get you guys. Oh, okay. Speaking of Sir Tom Hat, where is he? I think he went on vacation. Well, freedom at last. I know, right? Mean. Hey guys, do you hear that? Yeah, I do. Might be a new engine. And here he comes. Hello. Hello. Who are you? Oh, my name is Angel. Your name is Angel? Yeah. I don't really usually tell people my name because I was always afraid that they might laugh at my name. Don't worry. Your name sounds cool. Yeah. Angel. Such a stupid name. Shut up, James. Um, Allow us to introduce ourselves. I'm Thomas. That's Percy. And that's James. What's up? I've heard all about you guys. You have? Yeah, especially you, Thomas. You're famous. Oh, uh, thanks. It's not fair. What isn't fair? You, like, you're famous. Like you're more popular than us. Like, we're part of Thomas and Friends too. Like, don't we earn some credit? Yeah, but mostly no. Yo, for real? Hey, Percy's right. Thomas gets all the credit. After all, my name is in the title. Yeah, that is true. Not gonna lie. So don't we earn some credit? Like, we're in Thomas and Friends too. Like, we're a huge part. Yeah, like, aren't we famous? You guys are, but they're not as famous as Thomas. Man, it's not fair. They do have a point. Who said that? James, was that you? No. Was that you, Angel? No, that wasn't me. It was me. Well, wait, hold up. Who are you? Oh, my name is Dozel. Really? Yeah, I'm a YouTuber. Like and subscribe. And yeah, what are you doing here? Well, I overheard you guys, and I think Percy and James should get some credit too, not just Thomas. See, that's what we're saying. What are you trying to say? Well, I'm saying that you suck, and these two earn some credit too. Like, they're a huge part of Thomas and Friends. Yeah, I guess you're right. Yeah, I don't think so. Thomas, can I borrow you for a second? Come on, come on. Okay. So what's up? What did I do? Heh, that's what you get. Hey, good work, bro. Thanks. What's your name again? Angel. Oh, cool name. Want to be buddies? Sure, I love to be buddies. Okay, bet. Hey, I need to ask you something. Um, Yeah, what's up? Do you make friends with everybody? Yeah, almost everybody I go, like, I make friends with them. Really? How? I don't know. Do you want to be friends with us? And not that little blue steaming pile of scrap. Excuse me? Sure, we can be friends. Alright. Do you want to sleep with us at Tidmouth Sheds? Yeah, sure, I'd love to. Alright, just follow us. We'll show you the way. Wait for me. What did I do? That's what you get for not giving us some credit. Percy, come on. All right, I'm coming. That's what she said. Shut up.